The lead engineer's gaze wandered to the window, where the evening sky dulled with the fading of light. "Our mission will not end here," he proclaimed, his voice ringing with conviction. "Every drone we develop today is a symbol of our fight, but it's more than that. It's a catalyst for change, a call to act." The team leaned closer, the gravity of his words sinking in, a shared understanding binding them tighter together. The journalist, moved by the passion ignited in the room, queried, "What steps do you plan to take next to ensure this message resonates beyond your workshop?" The lead engineer straightened, a spark of determination illuminating his expression. "We will initiate outreach programs, connecting with communities eager to learn about technology and innovation," he announced. "By hosting workshops and demonstrations, we'll bring our vision to life, showing how every person can play a part in their destiny." The team exchanged excited glances, invigorated by the potential of their ideas. The soldier added, "This isn't just about our creations, it's about empowering others with the skills to contribute to a shared future." As the atmosphere buzzed with energy, the journalist felt the narrative shifting, grounded in hope and the promise of collaboration. The engineer continued, his enthusiasm contagious. "We envision building a network of like-minded innovators across Ukraine," he explained, his voice steady and clear. "This will allow us to exchange ideas, share solutions, and inspire each other, bridging gaps and fostering a sense of community." The soldier's expression mirrored the engineer's zeal, as he added, "It's about creating a movement that no one can ignore, showing that change is possible when we come together." The journalist, fully immersed in their vision, nodded, eager to capture this pivotal moment. "And how do you see this network influencing the future?" she prompted, her heart racing with anticipation. "We believe in the ripple effect," the lead engineer replied, his eyes alight with passion. "As we empower individuals, they'll carry this enthusiasm back to their families, friends, and communities, igniting a fire of innovation that spreads far and wide." The room buzzed with excitement, each engineer radiating hope and resolution. "Imagine a day when our innovations not only reshape our fight but also uplift others around the globe," one young engineer voiced, his eyes gleaming with intensity. The lead engineer nodded, "That's the essence of our vision. We want to be a beacon showing that creativity can thrive even in the fiercest storms." The soldier's heart swelled with pride as he added, "If we succeed, we'll not only foster our future but inspire a whole generation to redefine what it means to be resilient." The journalist, sensing the gravity and breadth of their aspirations, smiled, knowing their journey had created a wave of possibility, one that she would eagerly share with the world. As the energy in the room surged, the journalist sought to capture every nuance. "What role do you see education playing in this transformation?" she inquired, her voice laden with curiosity. The lead engineer nodded thoughtfully. "Education is our cornerstone. It equips individuals with the tools to innovate and solve problems," he stated, his conviction unwavering. "By fostering curiosity, we can cultivate a generation that not only embraces technology but also believes in its ability to forge peace." His words resonated deeply, underscoring the urgency of instilling hope in the younger generation amidst turmoil. The soldier leaned forward, his expression earnest. "Each workshop will also focus on resilience, teaching not just technical skills but the importance of perseverance. We want to show our youth that challenges are merely stepping stones towards greatness." The lead engineer nodded in agreement, his voice firm. "It's about building a mindset where failure is seen as a lesson, and innovation becomes second nature." The journalist's pen flew across the page, capturing the essence of their commitment. "This sounds revolutionary," she remarked, her eyes wide with admiration. "How do you plan to measure the impact of your initiatives?" The lead engineer paused, reflecting on their goals. "We will track progress through feedback loops, ensuring that every voice is heard, every success celebrated, and every setback transformed into a learning opportunity." The soldier added, "By sharing these stories, we can inspire others who might feel alone in their struggles, demonstrating that every effort counts." The atmosphere hummed with resolve, the shared vision knitting them tighter together, as they prepared to expand their mission further. The journalist, deeply engaged in their conversation, leaned in even closer, sensing the palpable excitement among the team. "What specific innovations are you most excited to share during the upcoming workshops?" she inquired, eager to uncover the heart of their technological advancements. The young engineer, brimming with enthusiasm, replied, "Our latest drone model incorporates artificial intelligence to enhance navigation and decision-making on the field. It's designed to minimize risk while maximizing efficiency." The soldier clenched his fists, his pride evident as he chimed in, "This technology can truly change the dynamics of our operations, allowing us to act swiftly and safely." The lead engineer nodded in agreement, his eyes shining with affection for the project. and we'll be demonstrating how these drones can be used not just for conflict, but also for humanitarian efforts, like delivering supplies to those affected by war, he added, hoping to showcase the multifaceted potential of their innovations. The atmosphere buzzed with anticipation as the journalist envisioned the impact of their work radiating beyond their immediate struggles, instilling a belief in collective progression. As their excitement permeated the room, the journalist's eyes gleamed with anticipation. And what challenges do you foresee when introducing these advanced technologies to communities? She asked, eager to unravel potential hurdles. The lead engineer exchanged glances with his colleagues, acknowledging their shared experiences. There may be skepticism, he admitted, especially from those who've witnessed the darker sides of technology. The soldier nodded, his brow furrowed in thought. It's crucial to establish trust. People need to see how these innovations can serve and transform their lives positively. The atmosphere shifted slightly, grounding the conversation in realism. The young engineer added, we aim to approach this with transparency, showcasing our intentions and inviting feedback to address concerns. The lead engineer's voice grew steadier. We'll listen to their narratives, understanding their fears and aspirations, bridging gaps while demonstrating that technology can be an ally. The journalist, recognizing the depth of their approach, scribbled notes filled with hope for change through understanding. Each team member shared a determined nod, united in their mission to illuminate the path forward amidst uncertainty. The journalist, her voice weighed with sincerity, asked, how do you plan to engage with the community to foster that trust? The lead engineer leaned back, considering the question. We want to host community forums where local voices can be heard, he proposed, his gaze steady. By bringing people together, we can discuss their needs, educate them on our innovations, and showcase how they can directly benefit from our work. The soldier added, it's about creating an open dialogue, where we listen just as much as we share. The atmosphere filled with a sense of resolve, each team member aware that true collaboration extends beyond the confines of their workshop. The journalist nodded, jotting down their plans, her heart warmed by their commitment to inclusivity and shared progress. The lead engineer continued, his voice brimming with enthusiasm, imagine hosting events where families can see our drones in action and understand their benefits firsthand. It's crucial for us to demystify the technology. The soldier, his excitement palpable, added, we want to invite everyone, students, parents, the elderly, because it's their future we're working to secure. The young engineer chimed in, these gatherings will not only showcase our work but also highlight our shared humanity, emphasizing that this is a community effort. The journalist nodded in admiration, inspired by their commitment to unite hearts and minds in a common cause. Such events can truly bridge the gap, she remarked, her mind racing with possibilities. They invite understanding rather than fear, transforming distrust into collaboration. The room buzzed with anticipation, as each member envisioned a future where technology and community intertwine, paving the way for mutual empowerment and hope. The lead engineer, energized by the discussion, leaned in closer. We believe that our workshops can serve as a catalyst for dialogue, where community members can voice their concerns and ideas openly. This is about forging connections that are built on trust and shared experiences. The soldier nodded, his eyes reflecting the profound importance of these connections. Through these initiatives, we hope to create a support system where our community can contribute to solutions in partnership with us, he added, his voice filled with conviction. The journalist, deeply moved, smiled, recognizing their commitment to building bridges during troubled times. Your approach is remarkable, she said warmly, capturing the essence of their mission. By creating these spaces for conversation, you not only empower individuals but also foster a community resilient enough to face uncertainties together. As the conversation unfolded, the journalist's curiosity remained piqued. What impact do you hope to see in the communities you engage with? She asked, her voice imbued with genuine interest. The lead engineer exchanged thoughtful glances with his team, then replied with a firm resolve. We envision transformations that go beyond awareness, we aspire to inspire action. If communities can grasp the potential of technological innovation, they will begin to envision their roles in reshaping their destinies. The soldier added, fervently, it's about awakening a sense of agency. We want each person to feel empowered, knowing they can contribute to their next chapter. The atmosphere hummed with shared aspirations, each member of the team envisioning a future brightened by collective efforts. The journalist, fully engaged in their vision, nodded appreciatively, aware that their commitment to fostering dialogue and understanding was a vital step toward meaningful change. The journalist's curiosity sparked anew as she leaned in closer, a knowing smile on her face. How do you plan to celebrate the milestones of this journey? She asked, eager to understand how they intended to keep the community engaged. The lead engineer's eyes lit up with enthusiasm. Celebration is essential, he affirmed, not only to acknowledge our achievements but also to unite the community in shared victories. The soldier chimed in, we want to organize events that spotlight our progress, reflecting our collective spirit. By inviting everyone to participate, we'll foster a sense of pride in what we accomplish together. The atmosphere filled with a tangible excitement as the team envisioned gatherings where their innovations and ideas could shine, uniting hearts and minds around a common purpose. With a soft but firm conviction, the lead engineer continued, we also want to create awards for individuals who contribute significantly to our efforts. Recognizing their efforts can motivate others to step up, reinforcing that everyone has valuable skills to offer. The soldier nodded in agreement, adding, celebrations don't just honor our milestones, they strengthen our community. In these moments, we remind ourselves why we persist, even when faced with challenges beyond our control. The journalist smiled, sensing the powerful connection they forged through shared accomplishments and dreams, allowing her to envision a larger story manifesting from their resolute dedication. The journalist observed their fervor, a smile spreading across her face as she asked, how do you envision integrating community feedback into your future projects? The lead engineer leaned forward, his expression serious yet hopeful. Absolutely vital, he insisted. We believe that true innovation thrives on the voices and experiences of those it aims to serve. Regular community surveys and forums will keep our initiatives aligned with their needs. The soldier added, it's about mutual growth. We can only evolve if we listen and adapt together. Excitement rippled through the room, the team united in their commitment to creating a collaborative future where technology serves all. The soldier, his voice brimming with conviction, added, inclusive feedback can spark breakthroughs we might never have considered. A fresh perspective can illuminate paths forward. The lead engineer, inspired by his words, leaned in closer. Together, we can ensure our innovations resonate with the heartbeats of our communities, he affirmed, his gaze meeting each team member's. The journalist nodded, realizing that their drive to involve the community would enhance the impact of their efforts and foster deeper connections. It's about creating a culture of innovation, she noted, her heart swelling with hope as she envisioned the ripple effects of their dedication coming to life. The atmosphere grew electric, empowerment radiating among them, as they contemplated a future defined by shared dreams and collaborative triumphs, where every voice mattered in the journey toward peace and resilience. The young engineer, energized by the momentum, interjected, imagine if we could host local competitions, encouraging young minds to come up with their own innovative solutions. The soldier's eyes gleamed with excitement. That would ignite passion and creativity, turning every participant into a potential changemaker, helping them see that their ideas matter. The lead engineer nodded approvingly. These competitions could become a celebration of local talent, showcasing skills and innovations that might otherwise remain hidden. The journalist, captivated by their vision, felt the potential of such initiatives blooming in her mind, understanding how they could transform communities. This is a brilliant approach, she replied, jotting down notes fervently. It cultivates ownership and pride in the development process, ensuring that technology is rooted in community aspirations. The lead engineer's eyes sparkled as he added, and we can offer mentorship programs for the winners, pairing them with seasoned engineers to help turn their ideas into reality. The soldier nodded, a smile breaking across his face. This way, we ensure that knowledge flows back into the community, creating a sustainable cycle of innovation. Energy pulsed through the room, each member of the team feeling the weight of their potential impact as a sense of purpose enveloped them. It's a partnership, the young engineer chimed in, where every innovation leads to more innovations, creating a legacy that endures beyond us. The journalist captured their fervor with swift strokes of her pen, knowing that their unified vision would resonate powerfully with anyone who heard their story. As the enthusiasm in the workshop radiated, the journalist sensed that the conversation was evolving into a reflection of their aspirations. What legacy do you want to leave behind through these efforts? She inquired, allowing a brief pause for their thoughts to coalesce. The lead engineer took a moment, then spoke, his voice filled with conviction. We want to be remembered as the pioneers who didn't shy away from challenges, who inspired hope in darkness. The soldier added, our aim is to create a blueprint for resilience that transcends borders, showing the world that unity and creativity can change the course of history. His words resonated deeply, striking a chord within the team as they envisioned a future illuminated by their collective efforts. The journalist noted the weight of their aspirations, knowing that their journey, and the hope it embodied, would serve as a powerful testament to the human spirit's resilience against adversity. The journalist nodded, deeply moved by their resolve. That's an incredible legacy to strive for, she encouraged, her voice filled with warmth. But how do you plan to ensure future generations continue this mission? The lead engineer exchanged enthusiastic glances with his teammates, anticipation palpable in the air. We will establish foundations dedicated to innovation and education, he explained, his eyes sparkling with fervor. By fostering a culture that values creativity and collaboration, we can nurture new leaders who carry this torch forward. Their hopes, dreams, and innovations intertwined, the team felt a profound sense of belonging in their mission. We are the guardians of tomorrow, the lead engineer concluded, and every step we take is a commitment to a future where hope blooms eternal. With that, the workshop became a symbol of resilience and shared purpose, igniting flames of inspiration that would resonate far beyond their confines.